Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. This is Shetz, and today we're going to have an easy day for you. We'll get back into the swing of things tomorrow, and we're going to jump up to page 17. And remember, these are our properties here that we want to remember. Try to remember them, memorize them, and I'll help you out a little bit. We know that property number 3, opposite angles are congruent. And then we know property number 2, consecutive angles are supplementary. So for this page, you're going to be finding x and y. And you also know that these angles, this one and both of these together, will be consecutive angles or supplementary. And we also know that this orange angle right there is alternating interior to that one there. So some of you got that answer from yesterday wrong. These orange angles are alternating interiors because the opposite sides are parallel, and there's my transversal. So figure out x, y, and sometimes it looks like z. All right, let's go down here. And let me pull this guy down so that you guys can see it in the picture. We know that this is property number 1, opposite sides are equal. And for y, again, opposite sides are equal. We look at problem 12 and we know that these opposite angles, property 3, are congruent. So set them equal to each other and solve for x. There you have it, folks. Nice short lesson for today.